Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kaju milkshake. First, you'll need to soak about 1/2 cup of cashews. Place them in warm water for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps soften the cashews, ensuring your milkshake achieves a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. Once they are soft, make sure to drain them completely before moving on to the next step. Next, transfer your drained cashews into a blender. Add 1 cup of cold milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder for that delightful aroma. Blend these ingredients together until the mixture is incredibly smooth and frothy. You want to ensure there are no cashew pieces left, creating a perfect base for your delicious shake. Now it's time to customize your milkshake's flavor. Taste the mixture and adjust the sweetness as needed, perhaps adding a bit more sugar or a natural sweetener like honey. For an extra layer of flavor, a few drops of vanilla extract work wonders. If you prefer a thicker, richer shake, feel free to add a scoop of vanilla ice cream before blending again. Finally, your delicious Kaju milkshake is ready to be served. Pour the chilled shake into your favorite glasses. For an elegant touch, garnish each serving with some finely chopped pistachios or a few delicate saffron strands. Serve it immediately to enjoy its refreshing taste and creamy texture at its best. Cheers to a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.